Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channels. In every set, tell your story. In every fold, a whisper of timeless grace. The mama dress is not just a garment; it's an experiment of feeling with celebration of elegance, crafted with devotion. It follows like poetry, made in tradition with modern artistry. Tribute to beauty or balance. When you wear a mama dress, you just not walk. You embody confidence, grace, and the art of subtle luxury. It's not about standing out, it's about standing apart. In Martyrs defines when it's mean to effortless. We are fabric made to filling and designs. The moment in life and fashion trends, fabric when what you wear become a reflection of your inner words. Dear Mima has born from that. Every curve, every counter, every delicate line was stitching a story of devotions to craftsmanship in a world that moved too fast. Mimandas invite you to pause. Too fast, the Mimandas invite you. Beauty is never rushed. The fabric depends like poetry written in the still the color, softly of dawn and dusk. Shade that like someone were between dream and memory. When you slip into a mattress, you just not simply are your body, you awaken your sense. There is a magic that happens when you find the dress that feel like it was made for you. The might become more than a choice, it's become a connection. It's understand your body, your movement, your silence. It's slow as you walk, it speaks when you do not whether you are stepping into a room filled with light, walking beneath and the silver hush of evening. My dress. Hold it on observations with the wall around you. Confident, graceful, and timeless fashion changes with designing. Legacy of centuries. The elegance of it weaved together with the yet it never forget where it's come for commutes. It in the fold of the fabric you can feel both the wisdom, tradition and the thrill of innovations. Each creation is bright between yesterday and tomorrow, inviting your women to step into her more aesthetics self. When you are Mimarta, simply dressing for the what do you see, you're dressing for the woman with you. To remind they achieve the courage, believe beauty and strength. You are telling your story without word and the word listens. In the form Mimarta is forever. Ballast move as though she part of living work of art. If you enjoy If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Comment tension. It's